I'm going to show you how to save big money on your U-Haul and also how to make sure you don't get stuck with damages you didn't do. The first minute and a half of this or so is just me talking, so skip ahead if you want to checking out the U-Haul. And I'll tell you what, checking out the U-Haul is just me looking for damage. And that's what you should do. Look for damage before you get in it. Make a video of the thing, man. You got a phone. It's pretty simple. Here we go. Check this out. One Owner Car Guy, oneownercarguy.com, at the U-Haul place. And I'm going to do a video about how to check out a U-Haul when you're picking it up to where you don't get stuck with some damages, stuff like that. Pretty easy to rent a U-Haul. Anybody can do it. I think you got to be 21. That's about the only thing. They don't even ask if you got insurance. They just give you the U-Haul. Kind of cool. Very versatile. I have used U-Haul hundreds of times in my life. Always had a good experience with them. And this video I'm just going to show you kind of how to do a walk around and check out your truck before you go get in your truck and then you get damages that weren't yours. Number one, buy the insurance. Some people might not buy the insurance. You might think your insurance covers it on your car. Probably about a 90% chance to 100% chance your insurance in car ain't going to cover your U-Haul. So if you damage the U-Haul, they've got a little thing on their site that shows you how much each little damage costs. And it's not pleasant and something you want to do, trust me. So I spent 160 bucks and it cost 56 for the, there's my bunny. Hi bunny. We had a big windstorm. It blew their house away. I'm gonna have to catch them. I spent 56 for the insurance. If you do anything to the truck, it's covered. You don't have to pay. So that is cool, nice insurance. If you do something to the truck, you have to pay them immediately if you ain't got insurance. Yours ain't gonna cover it, believe me, on your car. Point is, really important to walk around the thing, see if there's any damages on the thing before you jump in it and start driving it. It's a big U-Haul place here. I'm in Helena, Montana. Huge parking lot. Lots of storage. You get a month free storage rental when you rent a U-Haul van. And that's a great way to $25,999 gross. What number are we on? JH5047J. Wow, it's right here. So it's a Triton V10. I love these. I'm gonna go around it and I'm gonna make sure that all the damage is tagged. And on these, they tag damage, or are supposed to. Sometimes they miss stuff. And I don't want no damages on me. It's kind of wonky on the front here. Bugs, miscellaneous, dirty. It's pretty clean, probably pretty new truck, looks like. And like I say, I want to see everything. And this here is a scuff. And I bought the insurance. It's $56 for the whole trip. Little scuffs up there up top. I'm gonna zoom in. I didn't do that. Some miscellaneous scratches going all down the sides. There's a scuffy scratch here. It's actually been painted or something here. There's all this in here. There's a tag there that's wore off, a tag there that's worn off. Big old thing here. This is all in here. Somebody scraped something. This here, I don't see a tag on that, but this is all wonky and all messed up. Actually, a little bit more than I thought there'd be. A little scuff. And it's not big damage, a scuff there. It's just stuff that I don't want to be responsible for. And I don't think scuffs here and here. I don't think you're responsible. How did they do that? That is the worst looking wheel. Looks like they painted it. Made in Turkey. Holy hell for it. This is getting all rusty and they look to have scratched that a little bit. Well, I think there's a big old gouge up there. And gouge here, but there's a sticker on that one. Scratches. Scuff here with no tag.
Have my own party here.
Party? Scratch, scratch. Scratch.
I got buddy.
Big old chunk of something up there. Scrape up there. Big old scrape. Where is that one? Right there. See that scrape? And it looks like the vinyl is all cracked off right there. So that's this side. Yeah, I think that's a pretty good thing. Bumper looks clean. Doesn't look all banged up, I don't think. They banged it here. Bent in a little bit. And this side, little scuff. They smacked it there. Big scuffs going all right here. Scratch there. All scratch going down the whole side.
Dad?
Big one. All the way down too here.
Hi, guys.
This one too.
You say hi again?
Guys.
There you go. Oh yeah, see they got stickers on some of them. I just don't want to be, there's not a sticker on that one. So, whatever. This here, scratches, scratches. Vinyl missing, scratches up top. And they don't even come out here to look at this stuff with you. This one right here, there's nothing on that. There's no sticker. There's a scratch here. This is smashed in, no sticker. Sticker there, but this whole thing's rough. And this bunk down here. You know, I was looking at that. Scratched and scuffed in here, everywhere. It's definitely got a little bit of damage. Big scratch
What's
there.
that?
That's delaminating, falling apart there. And they've scuffed up that whole front. Smacked it on something. And more miscellaneous scratches. And it definitely is bent down, isn't it? Yep. Well, that gives us a good look at what we've got. This is a 26-foot truck. And, you know, just to give you an idea, think about this. Cab's pretty clean. Same thing on these boxes, though. The whole bottom, it's all wonky. There's damages, scratches and scrapes. Deep scrape on that one. Crazy. So, with everything, I don't even worry about checking the oil on them. That's their job. Scratches, scuffs, big old things falling off. This thing's just out here unlocked. This ain't got many miles at all on it, man. This is a nice truck. I have a really good experience with Uhaul. Check the fuel. Make sure the amount they say on the paper matches the amount on the dash, because that's the amount you have to get it back to. And when you're getting back to that amount, they overrate it. If you read their tag, they're gonna tell you how much fuel you need to go that many miles. Problem is, going that many miles, I was going 150, 180 miles. They rated my trip at 225 miles. So they say you get 10 to 12 miles a gallon. If they figured 11, they're rating me at 45 miles more than I'm gonna go. They're gonna charge me, I'm gonna pay an extra 4 gallons of fuel. It's 12, 15 bucks, man. 4 gallons. Holy heck, it is like $15 almost. So whatever it is, don't pay attention to them. Do your own math, do your own stuff, figure out how far you're driving, set the tripometer when you start out. It's a great way to keep track of how far you've driven, and then you'll know how much gas to put in. If you're going and driving there about 10, 20 miles, I would put the gas in at the beginning of the trip and do how much you think, because it might take a little while for the float to come up and the gas to show. That's about all I know. Great way to move, great way to rent a cheap truck. I mean, they give you plenty of miles. I love them. They're always clean. This was a 2019, had 80,000 miles on it. So super cool. That's it. Thanks for watching. Check out my channel. There's all kinds of videos on here and all kinds of videos with reviews of these same U-Hauls. So check it out. Subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you.